everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gen X, and in today's video we're going to talk about how we can get your computer starting up a little bit faster. Nothing is worse than turning on your computer when you have something to do and having to wait for your computer to start up. Now, there are all different types of things that you could do to your computer to make it run a little faster. But in this video we're going to concentrate on what runs when you turn your computer on and why it's starting up slow. If this video helps you out at all, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below. All right, let's show y'all how to do this. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is go down here into the search box and type in task and select Task Manager. Once you're in your Task Manager, go ahead and go to the Startup tab up top. Once you're on the Startup tab, it'll list every single program that starts up with your computer when you turn it on. If you see anything on this list that's not supposed to be here, or you see a program that you just don't want to start when you turn on your computer, all you have to do is select it and then disable it. Make sure when you're going through this list that you do not disable any operating system programs. For instance, my Intel Core or my CCX processing, or anything that has to do with audio or video cards. But you could disable things like Cortana or Microsoft Edge, any type of game service that wants to start up with your computer. You can go ahead and disable all of those. Once you're done, go ahead and close out the window. Next, go down into the search box and type in Update. And select Check for Updates. Once you're on the Windows Update page, it might take a couple minutes for all this information to refresh. What you want to do is you want to click here to pause your updates for 7 days. Pausing your updates does two things. It takes off the stress on your startup because Windows is not trying to update every time you turn on your computer. And two, it allows you to update your computer when you want. So let's say on a Saturday morning when you don't have any work to do, you can come back to this Windows Update page, click Resume Updates, and it'll update at a time where you don't need the processes of your computer, instead of Windows trying to update in the background while you're trying to work or game. If your computer's still running slow after running these two steps, then you probably have a larger problem, but the good news is that I have more videos on my channel that'll help you out. Go ahead and check those out. Well, that's it, you guys. It's as easy as that to get your computer running a little bit quicker on startup. If this video helped you out at all, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comments section below. Appreciate y'all checking out the video. We'll see you next time. And remember, don't be toxic. Spread positivity.